Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can bypass FRP lock on LG K30. So first of all we need to connect it with Wi-Fi. We need to have two things for FRP bypass. So first of all we need a SIM card with the pin code, and the second one is Bluetooth earbuds, and we need these both things. So first of all I need to put SIM card with pin code in it. As you can see, it's just going to set up, and I will show you it's already Google locked. As you can see here it's asking for Gmail ID and password, which we don't have, so just need to go back and put the SIM card which have pin code. So I just insert the SIM card, and as you can see it's asking for the pin code. And now here is the trick. Here we need to take out our SIM card and press power key. As you can see, I just take out SIM card and press power key to open the notification bar. I try it again once more time, and I take out SIM and immediately press power, and now take out SIM card and press power key again. As you can see here is the notification bar. Just slide right and click on the setting button, and here we need to enable Bluetooth, so long press on it, and this will show you Bluetooth devices nearby you. So my Bluetooth name is TWS, so I just need to connect it. As you can see our Bluetooth earbuds are going to connect. So after it connect, we need to press on the sensor button. So we need to show a Google search on our mobile. So as you can see our Google search is appear. You just need to press on this black sensor, and which you use earbud, you can use the sensor button to appear Google search on your device. So here we need to search for open settings. Click here, and I just write here open settings, and this will open settings. As you can see we gave our command and mobile settings will be open. So here we need to give any pattern or pin lock. So here you can see I am just going to just go back, and here we need to go to lock screen and security. This is LG K30, and you can see, and here we need to give lock screen and security and screen pin, and we just need to turn on screen pin and then pin with screen lock. So here we need to give pattern lock, so I just give pattern lock here. Next. So our pattern lock is set, so we just need to turn off our mobile, and we need to hard reset it, and then it will bypass FRP lock. So just keep watching. I just need to turn it off. Press volume down key and power key. When you see logo, leave power key and then press again power key, and you will see you are in now recovery. So here just select yes and yes again with the power key, and this will hard reset your LG K30. So here we just need to wait for the finish of hard reset, and this will take 5 to 10 minutes, so wait for it. And I just make fast forward video for you so we can finish it fast. And if you are new at my channel, please do subscribe, like and share. And if you bypass your LG K30 successfully, please do comment in the comment section with date, so other people can also get help. So here is our phone is started up. I just need to set up it, and when we set up it, it will ask for the pattern code which we set up before. So we just need to give that pattern lock, or pin lock. So just need to connect it with Wi-Fi. So I just need to connect it with my Wi-Fi, and then we need to click on next, and this will ask for the password. So we just need to give our password, and this will bypass FRP. So here I just give my password. You can use this method on other LG mobiles also, so hopefully it will work for you. So I just give my Wi-Fi password over here, then click connect, and here we need to click on next. So here it will take a little bit time, so keep calm, and I just make it fast forward so it can finish fast. So as you can see, it's asking for next, and wait for a second, and then it will ask for the pattern lock, and here we need to give our pattern lock which we set up before. So it will now skip the FRP bypass, so it will take a little bit time to set up our mobile. So just you need to click on the next, and this will bypass your FRP lock. So as you can see here, it will take a little bit time. Now just click on the skip button and skip again. As you can see, this is LG K30 and it have Android 10 and the latest iOS, and with the latest security patch you can bypass FRP or Google Lock with this trick. So hopefully this will work for you, and if you have any problem during the process you can comment down. Hopefully I will answer you. So here is the method. Hopefully you like it. Now you can see our phone is started up successfully and there is no FRP lock or Google Lock. Now you can use your mobile freely. Just go to settings, and here I will show you its about section. So I just need to go to the system, and now you will see it's about phone, and here you can see it's Android 10 and its model number, so you can check it clearly. It's Android version, the latest iOS. So here you can bypass your FRP lock on LG K30 with this trick. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.